So here is the frame now. I just did some work on it today. Knocking off a lot of stuff I don't need or I'm going to end up bolting on. I'm not going to use this cross member right here, but I'm leaving it in there as a support right now because I'm going to take the frame and have it blasted, sandblasted somewhere, and that way I can handle it without it, twisting all up and stuff, and it just kind of stays a little more in shape. So things I did do, I am leaving the front spring hangers. The back one the front of the front one I cut off on this side because I can't get that out yet. The other side I did get out. I'm leaving that in there on both sides, and I'm also leaving the back spring, the back spring hangers, perches on there. The reason I'm going to do that is because I'm going to change this to an independent front suspension, but I want to know exactly where that front wheel was originally. So this is going to give me kind of an idea where it is, because I still have the front suspension and stuff, and I can just kind of put that on there if I need to, just to mock it up again. Won't be that tough to do. Same with the rear. I just kind of mock up that rear end back into it, and then I know exactly where that rear end is. Other than that, I had to, this cross member here has a secondary plate underneath it, and what I found is there was a little rot right kind of up underneath there, and the other thing is there was a mouse nest in here for an old one from whenever. So what I did is I cut that plate underneath here for this one, from here all the way down, cleaned out that whole thing. You can kind of see that, I guess, if I do underneath. Go underneath there like that, you can kind of see how I cut that out of there. So I'm not sure if I'm going to maintain this. I think I'm going to keep it the way it is. I don't think I'm going to replace it with tubing or anything. So I'll just replace this bottom piece, however, if I cut more out or not. And then I'm going to probably plug these holes, even with just rubber plugs, because that's how obviously mice got in there. This was probably years ago, but it smelled inside there. You couldn't figure it out. It was just always there. So anyway, this is the frame. I did cut the rear shackle off. I wasn't sure if I could even get to it. I'm gonna try, but I just thought it'd be easier and quicker for now so I can get this thing out and get blasted. So leaving these on. These are all the body mounts. Leaving them all on. Eventually I will be taking this off from here when I get the other rear suspension in. And that's the same with this one too. I'll be end up taking it off right there, knocking those rivets out, grinding them off or whatever. I did go around and grind off all the little rivets that were on there. They're holding clips on the back side for lines. I did all that. Here's the suspension. And there's the junk.